Hey there. I assume that there might be some people who don't quite know how to fix your lawnmower when it's not cutting properly. As you can see, this blade is really, really dull. So I've got it in a little vise here. I don't have it secured down. I'm sure somebody will watch this and say, "Whoa, why can't I get this in?" Well, as you can see, it's kind of eaten up. It's a small one. And you can see it's seen some nicks and whatnot. What you want to do is, I've got an angled file here. I'm going to take the flat side, make sure everything up and down, make sure this is all straight. No divots or anything coming in there. On this other side, there is an angle right here. You're going to want to match that angle as best as you can while going up and down like this. Okay, I'm not using a Dremel or anything mechanical for two reasons. One, I can't find any of my stuff. And two, doing it by hand, you get to really fine-tune what you're doing. And you don't heat the blade up too much so it's not going to break. And you just go up and down like you would, like you're cutting wood. But you try to keep that angle all the way through until you get a nice sharp edge, or at least an edge that isn't full of, I don't know if you can see that, isn't full of big old divots in there. Alright, I'll try to show you the finished product here. I'm sweating like a pig because it's hot and humid out. Alright, I'll see you in a couple. Okay, so once you are done, you should have something that looks similar to this. It's not want to focus on for me today. And you see how try to keep it right along there, almost polished in areas. Might be able to do a little more on that, but she's pretty sharp. You don't need it so sharp that you know, you can cut a cardboard box open with it or something. Because all it's going to do with a really sharp blade is it's going to dull a lot faster. So you just want to try to get the big nicks out of it. This still has some. If you take off too much material on this side and you don't do it on the other side, you're going to have a lopsided blade, which is not only going to improperly cut the grass, but it's also going to cause a lot more wear and tear on your motor, on your mower, and could run into some pretty sketchy issues with that. Well, now we got to go put it on and hope for the best. I'm going to assume everybody knows what cut lawn looks like, so. Alright. Might want to wear gloves. Alright, have a good day. Happy mowing.